I got a story to tell y'all. Here we go. Miss Microwave authority drinking that liquor, but now she losing it. Been on her vagina for another bottle. She keep the neighborhood up while she hollering. Gobbling up the victim, he taking that muscle home. He didn't protect himself, he smashed at his wifey and got his Colgate off. Next day back in the street, we creeping again, looking for shorty to get that BJ. Looking like a walking zombie, we couldn't even find her. His cell phone ringing, he looked at the number voided, let it go straight to voicemail. He continued looking for that chick while he smoking on that cancer stick. Don't even know what buddy to sick, don't even know his wife is sick. He still searching and searching, he still smoking and smoking. Lungs getting blacker and blacker. He yelled out, Miss Microwave, where are you? I need her tonight. And Miss Microwave, she no good. She burn every dude in the neighborhood, and she don't care. No, she don't. Miss Microwave, she burn every dude in the neighborhood, and she don't care. I know she don't. She don't care. He never worried about his health. He's sipping on a coffee, think about the Mr. Microwave. Every night landing in the bed next to his wife. She said, what you smiling about? What you thinking about? He said, I had a dream. Free at last, free at last. Oh, mighty make Miss Microwave. She keeps me happy when day for day. And when I see that afterward, send his round the way. Say you heard what happened to the Mr. Microwave. He said, nah, but I hope she okay. I can't wait to get a piece of the cake. Send his round the way, start to laugh at him. His body started feeling funny. He went to the restroom, drip, 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 and puss, puss, puss. He started cursing, said what the hell is going on. He took himself to the doctor. Doctor said you got the STD. He scratched his temple and said how to get that. Oh man. And Miss Microwave, she no good. She burn every dude in the neighborhood, and she don't care. No, she don't. Miss Microwave, she burn every dude in the neighborhood, and she don't care. I know she don't. She don't care. And Miss Microwave, she no good. She burn every dude in the neighborhood, and she don't care. No, she don't. Miss Microwave, she burn every dude in the neighborhood, and she don't care. I know she don't. She don't care.
Yes. How are you, my friend? Good, good. Yeah, $3. How much this?